My correct person there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time when this video to reach you. This is our Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Saturday, will be the 27th day of July 2024. Our topic now, good followership, part 3. Good followership, part 3. And our Bible reading for today, they come from the book of Galatians chapter 2, from verse 11 to 14. And our memory verse for today is Galatians chapter 2, verse 11. But when Peter come Antioch, I come challenge am because wetin he do not good. Make we enter today's message. Make we enter the main message. One major challenge for leadership is say some people dey see leaders as if dem be superhumans, when for real life dem be just ordinary human being like you and me. Yesterday, I mention say sometimes leaders need help, but beyond that one, you suppose know say dem fit make mistakes. When leaders make mistake, people dey fear sometimes to correct dem, but you suppose know say leaders need correction so that dem no go put those wey dey follow dem for trouble. I dey very sure say one of David regret be say he don lis ten to Joab when Joab tell am say make he no count the people, because this counting wey dey come do come lead to over 70,000 of him followers say make dem kick bucket. We go see that one for 1 Chronicles 21 from verse 1 to 14. As a good follower, you no suppose keep quiet when you see your leader dey go in the wrong direction. You go respectfully correct them. Many years ago, e get one book wey I publish when I try to justify the statement of the midwives for inside Exodus chapter 1 from verse 15 to 19, where dem take say Hebrew women dey very strong and they fit deliver their baby without assistance. Somebody wey read the book come boldly come tell me say, I know say na you be the general overseer o, but sir, this justification e dey wrong. I come realize my mistake. I come thank am and tell her say I go back to God. God know say I don't mean to lead anybody astray. I come rewrite the book. Then I come stand before the congregation and tell them say, I don't make mistake o. E get wetin I write inside this book wey I no suppose write. I come beg them say make dem no vex. I come add say so that we no go continue to dey remember am, I no go tell una wetin the mistake be, but I want make una return all the ones wey una don buy, and for every copy of the book wey you return, I go give you 2. Na so I come get all the books back. I come burn them. Thank God say person dey bold enough to correct me, because today, without God don increase our influence, e for dey very difficult to erase the error comot from the minds of people for the body of Christ. I wish that fellow fit say he no go fit correct me. When you wan correct leader, make sure say na for the good of the leader and other followers, rather than the fact say you wan show say you know pass the person. Discuss with your leader for private. Show am love and respect. Present the matter in a way wey be like say e go dey easy to accept, or you find somebody wey dey very close to the leader wey go help you present am. And you know say the leader fit find am very easy to take correction from that fellow wey dey very close to am rather than from you. Na the message for today be this. Wetin be our key point? The key point wey we go need to note today be say, not just stand fold your hand when your leader dey make mistake. Correct him or her with love and respect. You hear am? Not just stand fold hand say make e dey make the mistake dey go. Rather, correct am with love and respect. Na the message for today's Open Heavens devotion. Na im be this. Don't forget say our topic na good followership, part 3. And na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, na him write this Open Heavens daily devotional. The Redeemed Christian Church of God, they use this opportunity. They invite you to their 72nd annual convention, where they come up from on the 5th of August to 11th of August 2024. And the theme, na heaven. Abeg, this na still Favours blog. Don't forget to help us subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video so that next time when it be like say we drop another video, you could be one of the first persons to know say better don shele. My name na still Laworo Favour, and we go jam for the next video.